Withdrawing money from your Uber account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account where you have earnings available for withdrawal. Step 2. Access your earnings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. From the menu, select Earnings to view your current balance and available funds. Step 3. Choose Withdrawal option. Look for the option to withdraw your earnings. This may be labeled as Cash Out or Withdraw. Tap on this option to proceed with the transfer. Step 4. Select your bank account. If you have multiple bank accounts linked, choose the one you wish to transfer the funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to add one by entering your bank details. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You may receive a notification or confirmation message once the transfer is initiated. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Be sure to check your bank account after a short period to confirm the transfer has been successful.